Welcome to the Farm Expert. I hope you are fine. So today our topic is how to refund Emirates ticket online. In this video, I will tell you the step-by-step guide. I will fill the online form step by step and let you know that how you can get refund your tickets. So I show you the complete Emirates refund process, including how to submit a refund request, understand electronic miscellaneous documents, check your refund status, and avoid common mistakes. So in this video, you will learn how to refund an Emirates ticket online, Emirates refund request process, how to use manage booking, what is EMD, how to check refund status, refund eligibility, refund processing time, tips to avoid refund delay. This guide is helpful for Emirates passenger worldwide, whether you are traveling from Asia, Europe, Middle East, Africa, Australia, or the Americas. So, if a person get Emirates tickets and in later stages he changed his mind and don't want to go his destination, so he can apply for refund. So this is the Emirates very friendly policy. So sometimes it takes no charge when there is a mistakes on the part of Emirates, like there is disruption of flight, there are unavoidable circumstances, so Emirates change refund your tickets free of cost. Otherwise Emirates charge $75 for refund, and in the same way there are charges to extend your just your tickets. So if you want to get the refund, you have to apply through their website, that is www.emirates.com/refund, where you find a form and you will fill that form. So what happened when you apply for refund? Emirates give you an online forms. You just have to visit their official website. You cannot refund through chat, you cannot refund through make a phone call, you cannot refund through the Emirates Google Play Store or App Store applications. So no, in this video I will tell you and take you to the official website of Emirates, and where we will tell you how to refund your tickets. So let's go to the main point of this video. I will take you to the official website but first of all, if you have not like our channel, I request on the behalf of the Farm Expert to like, subscribe, and share our videos. So the purpose of our video is education only. Government and institutional and companies policies may change, but today is August 26th, and we are making this video. So let's move toward the main part of this video.
So open Google from your computer, your mobile phone, type Emirates/refund. No, click on request a refund, submit form for your request. Then there be like this kind of video in front of you. So you accept the value privacy. And first of all, I suggest you please log in to your account so the Amers can get all your information itself. So first of all, I log in to my account. So log in. Here you will put your email or the Amers Skyward number. So I put my emails, then my password. Just click on login. Then when you will log in, here is such like important information. You can request a refund by completing a form. These are the important informations. So read these are information. It's just saying that you may use this form to refund of taxes, like that. Before you complete the form, tick on all these uh, uh, lines. I understand the fair condition, and these are just in terms and conditions. So you may accept all the uh, so it fetch your booking reference numbers. So put the departure airport and arrival airport. So It also fetch my personal details. Select your refund request type. So, fully unused tickets, because my ticket was fully unused. So I click on fully. So there is cancellation fee waiver. So these are about those who are died, so death of passengers, and so cancellation fee waiver. So if you your loved one died, and you can uh, give your death certificates, and you can upload a death certificate file. So ticket or EMD details. If you have made changes in your tickets, reissued, kindly enter your latest ticket EMD number. So I haven't reissued my ticket. I just booked that ticket. So here 176, and after that you should put your tickets number. So I reserve my ticket from Emirates.com. So click on Emirates.com. Departure or ticket issue country. So I issued my ticket from Pakistan. How did you pay? I pay from my credit card. So name of the credit card holder. So I am putting my name. These are instructions that your payment will be refunded within 15 business days. So here I put the credit card holder name, and then we should read these informations minutely, so there could not be any mistakes. So I left this ticket number myself to tell you that if you have some incomplete information, the form will not be submitted. So add comments. You should add comments that why you are refunding your ticket. So my ticket was flight was disturbed. So I request them that due to the disruption, I didn't fly. I want to refund. So I apply from this one that you may have missed some information. So this is the same information I have missed deliberately. That is the ticket number, ticket or document number. So I put the proper ticket number here, and the passenger's name of the passengers, right? Name of the passenger. So now I submit my application, and thank you for your request. We will be in touch shortly to confirm your requirements by emails. So my today I have completed this topic. So I have submit my refund with Emirates. So it is saying that you may check your email address. So let's move to our email. So this email I received from Emirates, and it is saying that your request has been submitted, and it's saying all about dear Emirates customer service. I respectfully request your kind consideration to this is my request to them that I want to refund it due to disruption of tickets. So
This was the video of the farm expert where we let you know the complete procedure of refunding your tickets from Emirates Airline. Hope you like our video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe our channel for more educational videos, and so it to give us encouraging on your part. So thank you very much for your time. So if you haven't subscribe our channel. Kindly subscribe, like and share our videos, subscribe our channels. Thank you so much. Take care.